Hi, my name is Valeria and I recently completed the AI Ethics and Governance program at Turing College. I completed my academic studies in multilingual digital communication and my research focuses on AI governance, epistemology, and societal impact, with a specific interest in comparing European and Chinese approaches to AI regulation. I wanted to move beyond theoretical discussions on AI ethics, so I applied for the AI ethics and governance program to learn how to implement fairness in real machine learning systems. I started from a very specific project idea. I wanted to explore how AI could detect bias in performance evaluation, especially in written feedback. This comes from research showing that evaluation systems are often biased. For example, women and intersectional groups tend to receive shorter and less actionable feedback. Before building any model, I needed to answer a few questions. What does fairness actually mean? Which groups are we protecting? Where does bias enter the system? And how do we measure it? For example, European approaches tend to emphasize transparency and individual rights, while Chinese approaches often focus more on collective outcomes and system level optimization. This is what led me to design my first project. In this fairness audit framework, I created a structured step by step methodology to evaluate AI systems. The framework is built as a sequence of interconnected tools, mapping historical and societal discrimination, selecting fairness definitions, identifying bias in the machine learning pipelines, translating all aspects into measurable metrics. In the second part of my project, the Fairness Intervention Playbook, um, I moved from analysis to action. I designed strategies in order to mitigate bias across the machine learning life cycle. So, pre-processing, in-processing, and post-processing. Working with open source toolkits like Fairlearn and IBM's AI Fairness 360 pushed me technically. In the third part of my project, the Fairness Implementation Playbook, I worked to establish a practical approach to theory. One of the biggest challenges in AI governance is implementing principles. So I created a guide that connected fairness metrics, interventions, governance frameworks based on European AI regulations, such as AI Data Act and GDPR regulations. In the specialization part or practical fairness for data scientists part, I integrated everything into a modular system. Measurement module, pipeline module, and training module. The objective was to build a continuous fairness pipeline where ethical and epistemological considerations are integrated from the very beginning. And what made the program of study of Turing College especially beneficial was the evolution in my perspective. I came to this program with a background in communication and governance, and I was already exploring fairness from a theoretical and comparative perspective. This program allowed me to work directly with metrics, tools, and decisions at the organizational strategic level. It gave me the opportunity to combine my interests in fairness, policy, and engineering, and to start developing more fairness, more intelligent, and more accountable system. Thank you for watching.